Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 26, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Second row, third row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G. 2 will come in one of these cells. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. So we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So column I, column E and column B. We have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. And then 8 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grid and second row, we have 3, 5 and 7 and 9. These 4 numbers can't come in this cell, only this cell. Then it will come in any one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, and 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. And 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. So third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 1. Then column G, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D and column C, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, at 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.